So we're here at the Hard Rock Hotel in Los Cabos, and this is the Market Cafe, the buffet. And it's lunchtime, so let's go and check out what they have available. So here we are. This is one of the bigger buffet areas at the Hard Rock. We've got a huge bread station. And then we're starting out back. Well, maybe not backwards. Maybe this is the way you should start. This is all the sweets with different tarts and cakes, brownies, mousse, panna cotta. And then here we've got seafood soup. And quinoa rice, vegetables, mashed sweet potato, lentils, and pasta. Catch of the day. That's great. Chicken with roasted potatoes, pork and green sauce, beef, and fish in parsley sauce. Now over here, so this is going to jump around a little bit, but that's okay. So we've got some tacos, salsa and guacamole, and then some individual things. What is this? Salmon pate with jicama, I think that's what that one is. That's interesting. And then some Russian salad, ceviche, right there. And then some more tamales, tacos, corn chips. Some fresh fruit, if you like. Now we've got a burger station over here with different sauces. And some pickles. Cook that up, made to order. Cilantro, what's this? Grill. Oh, we've got some nice vegetables there, and they've got rotisserie chicken. So you just choose your meat. Yes, we're coming up to that. Again, with the lovely hot sauces. Chili sauces. And we've got chicken, steak, pork, and tuna, I'm guessing that is. As well as some sauces. So you get that, again, made fresh to order. Another one, we've got the Quesadilla station here. Hola! And again, more sauces. Now, this one is actually the habanero sauce. Very spicy, very lovely. Of course, you want a bit of lime and cilantro to temper that a little bit. Again, we've got the gluten-free bread, and we have carrot cream soup. There we go. Some sauteed vegetables, sweet potatoes, more lentils and pastry. So this is a little bit of a do-over. Got quinoa rice, roasted potatoes. This is pepperonata. Pepperonata? Don't know what that is. Beetroot lasagna and cheese. And chickpea with cheese. Now they also ask at the front desk if you have any food allergies. That's a lentil and potato pate. So they've got these labels. So that's your vegetarian options, right? So that's pretty cool. So like I said, they ask about allergies, and of course they can do anything made to order. So it's really not a problem for everybody to find something they want to eat. Pistachio ice cream, chocolate, and caramel. Some toppings. And over here we've got a little beverage station, so they'll bring you your drinks. All kinds of sauces. I love this. By the way, if you're ever in Aruba, there's a place that cooks your spaghetti right inside one of these. You have to try it. Look at my other videos for that. You'll see it. It's to die for. Look at this cheese station. I mean, hello. And then if you want to be healthy, you can. As well as some more fruit. So there you go. It's the buffet at the Hard Rock Cafe, Hard Hard Rock Hotel in Los Cabos.